Hi, RKavanaugh here again in very sunny and beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today I'd like to show you this brand new Thor Magnitude. It's a 2022. The model number is SV34, so it's about 34 feet. It's absolutely gorgeous. It has lots of options. The full body paint, outdoor kitchen, outdoor TV, theater seats on the inside. This is just gorgeous. It's also a four-wheel drive. It's sitting on the Ford F550 chassis using the Ford diesel motor. It's a 6.7 liter diesel. It has great towing capacity. This is a very, very nice coach. Let's go have a look right over here. You have decent storage here. You get a 32-inch TV for hanging out here as well. But this is the one thing I want to show you. Look at this, a nice outdoor kitchen. You got a refrigerator for your cool ones. You got the sink to wash your hands, and you've got some space here. You also have some power outlets. Very nice. Look how beautiful this is. Full body paint, frameless windows. You got a power awning. Let's go have a look inside. So this is what they call a Super C. What makes it a C-Class is this cab over bunk. This could easily sleep 2 adults or several children. You have this really nice window here. It's a shaded window, and it comes up and down. You have the shade blocker right here. This is really fun for kids. You got a great view. The shade goes down. You can put it down at nighttime or leave it out and watch the stars. It is one of the larger cab over windows I've ever seen. I think it's one of the funnest things you have on this. You also have a 40-inch flat screen TV that swivels, of course. So you never have a bad viewing angle. As I mentioned, you have these theater seats. They recline. You got these nice cup holders. You got some storage in here for your remotes. Very nice. You have this booth dinette, which also breaks down into a bed, of course. So you have some additional sleeping space here. And again, this is a turbo diesel Ford, sitting on the Ford chassis, and it's a four-wheel drive. So this RV can go to some places that most RVs can't. So as we move into the kitchen galley, you have a little extender here. You have these covers, stainless steel sink, solid surface. You can cut vegetables on this, no problem. You got a nice backsplash microwave oven. You have an induction top plus a gas top, and the microwave operates as a convection oven as well. Here's your control panel. This is very nice. Everything you need to do is right here on this control panel. It's the end of all those buttons and switches that most other motorhomes have. You have everything right here at your digital display. Everything right here at your fingertips to manage, from battery to generator to how much fresh water you have, for example. Here's the bathroom, a nice size shower. Have a look. You also have a residential style refrigerator with a big freezer. Lots of space here. Of course, this is brand new, so it still has the tape on it and everything. As we move into the bedroom, you have another 32-inch TV. You have some nice counter space here. A very large king-size bed with a tilt-a-view. So again, you got some reading lights. You got some stereo speakers here. You have some outlets, USB ports, counter space. They thought of everything on this motorhome. You have 2 air conditioners. You have an air conditioner here dedicated to the bedroom, and you have an air conditioner for the living room. Lots of storage space. I mean, it's just very nice. You actually have some secret storage, what I like to call secret storage, behind the TV. Nobody even knows it's there but you. course, everybody else will now that they've seen the video. Anyway, a brand new 2022 Thor Magnitude SV34. It's a 4-wheel drive. It's absolutely gorgeous, great for families, great for if you need to go off-road or do something special. This would be that motorhome. It's reasonably priced for a Super C, and it's a 4-wheel drive. Come on out, have a look at this motorhome or any other motorhome we have here on the lot. It's sunny Junction City, so it's a great time to come out and have a look. Ask for me, RKavanaugh. I'd be happy to show you this motorhome or any other motorhome we have on the lot. So have a great day.